now we're getting ready for war.
I am now battle ready.
You come on, boys. Come to Papa. Payback's a
That's good, you albino.
That was a good one, man.
See that blast those fools? That was just...
You know, the problem with this kind of warfare is always expect the unexpected. I didn't think they'd be ready for it.
That was one way to finish off our season, man.
Hell yeah.
Phil will be proud of us on that one, baby.
We got him, boys. Let's fire the rest of these up in the sky.
After spending 42 agonizing days battling the Bering Sea for their Opelio bounty, each fisherman on the Northwestern takes home $46,000. While the crew of the Time Bandit walks with $72,000 in cold hard cash.